Guys, welcome back. Today we are here and going to create this presentation template that I'm going to show you now, but just a little wait for it to open. Okay, it's been opened. Let's see what we want to show you. If you like to see how create this simple slide transition, please like and subscribe and continue watching the video. Okay, at first we need to insert a new slide. Our blank slide is something we created from formatting background and using gradient fill, but I don't really like it and I'm going to use solid fill, but in another way with this great yellow. And then the text, we just simply copy the text. It's a text, how we created it, we just simply click on for and gave it this format, but I'm going to use this format now, and I'm going also to change this font. Let's see what font we have to look great. You can search here by blocking down. It's good. First step to become a YouTuber. Now we want to create this effect. How we can create these things? It's really easy. We need to create these shapes and then done the work. Now let's go and to create it. At first we need to add two lines. No, we add them in the end, it's better. We need to create this shape. Let me just copy and paste one of them here for you to see. This is a shape with a page number and a what and font on it. Now let's just align the shape a little bit. We reduce it in size. I will tell you why. And we just simply align it center, align it middle, and then create another copy of that, and then delete the text and send it to back. Then we just simply reduce the size. Some of you may think why I do this thing, but you will understand why I'm doing. Now we need to just copy the text. These are simply just a text, nothing more. And then press Ctrl Alt to select all of them. But the important thing is that at first we copy all of them, cut them, and paste them in new slide. Why new slide? To select all of them and go to shape format and group them. This is the first group. Now we copy that and we copy this slide 2, 3, 4 times. Now we just simply copy the text to. Okay, I created this text by AI and it's really easy to create. In our PowerPoint tutorial course 0 from to hero, I teach you how to create this text, and you can see and go and watch them if you like them. This is a good course. I know my presentation is maybe is low, my creating video power is a little, no, more than a little bad, but I appreciate your time and watching and your helping. It makes everything to feel better for me, and I really appreciate your support. Really, the best thing in my life is your support. Now let's go and copy them for now. We'll have lots of time for speaking in the previous time, in the times that we have in the future. Okay, now we created. We just need to change the change the color. If my voice go out, I will create its tool end without voice, but it's not important. This is just a voice. Okay, let's choose the color we like. For example, this is a nice color, I like it. Now let's color it up. And the last thing, after we coloring up everything, we just need to copy them and paste them here. But how paste them is important. We cut them, paste it here and send it here till this. Okay, now we copy them and paste them here. We are going to get them some. You see why I am creating that shape? We are going to give them some shape, some good shapes. Okay, that's it. Now we need to add our two lines that we have here. Just go to line, insert a line here and go to shape outline, make it weight more, and the color is white, and another one here. Okay, now we just simply copy, apply to all, you just simply select all of them and bring them here. Now we just copy this slide and just simply Control A, press Control A, no Control A. We can't press Control A. Change the thing. Now let's view if we're creating right. We are doing great. Okay, let's copy it another time. Not Control A, selecting them by pressing Control. But we have a little problem. You maybe guess. It must be aligned. Let me just align it. Okay, it's good. It's good. I think it's good. Let's see. Yes, it's good. Now let's copy that. Select all of them and put them here. Now we just simply put the line back. Now we select all of the text and set the transition to morph. Now let's see the magic happen. I appreciate if you like my content. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments. I appreciate your support and I hope all of you have a nice time with your family and lives. Until then, bye.